helping because it doesn't know who the target is if it's not you.
So wait.
Okay, target game stream.
Let me just complete this for a second. So, for example, I'm sorry, I had a couple of random streams starting like a few weeks back, but I hope it's not ending for no reason as well.
Okay, so what I'm seeing in this documentation here.
But I already, yeah. Sorry.
Is it's the same as what I have to do for Nightbot. Shout out, check out target name over target URL. They're playing target game. But that only works in that scenario because we're identifying who the target is.
Yeah.
So
And I thought
target whatever doesn't work.
I thought it was it had a target because I had the ad in the beginning, you know?
Yeah.
But
So my only thought here is if you go in, here I'm just gonna type something in Discord to you, and we'll see if that works. It's a bit more programming, but it might work and it might not. Those are the two options on the table right now. Either will or won't.
shit.
No, that clearly wouldn't work because that's going to be an unrecognized command.
No.
So if I go in here, bot timers, name, response, commands, counters, variable settings. Okay, permission everyone. Template. No, advanced. Cooldown, user cooldown based on. Okay, this is keywords. No. Yeah, I don't think there's a way via Streamlabs to make this work the way you would like it to.
Yeah. Well, that's too bad.
But if you got the streamer bot that I use that does all the counters and stuff, you can absolutely just have it paste things in as timers, because you would just set up a action with no triggers. So it would just do it by default, right?
Yeah.
I don't know specifically how you would program that even, but that would be a option. Or you set the trigger as like stream is active, you know?
Yeah. I mean, I'm already kind of pissed off. I have so many like external things to click on outside of the dashboard.
Yeah.
So I don't think I want to go that way at the moment.
Yeah, that's why I made like a group icon on my desktop that will open like the PNG tuber, fishing, OBS, and my external app all at once.
Oh, that's so smart.
The only time is I forget that I close streamer bot to refresh it. So people don't get their first counter, but that's a fairly minor thing to miss out on.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it's a lot. I didn't expect streaming to be this large of a deal when I first started it.
You're putting way more into it than I do.
Am I?
I set up my bit rewards badges 2 days ago.
Oh.
You know, like a lot of my back end stuff is irrelevant to me. I don't care.
Yeah.
You know? And then, you know, people are like, well, I want to donate bits. I'm like, yeah, don't do that. That's a bad idea.
No, I get why as well. It's just,
you know,
like, if something is seen in, like, something I'm doing, I would like it to be finished. Because otherwise I'm just irritated for no reason, right? While I'm actually trying to just enjoy the game. But yeah, that's just my personal issues, I suppose. But hey, we got the VIP shouting out thingy to work at least.
Yeah, and maybe we can figure out how to make it just play the game, but off the top of my head and looking at the documentation, I have not a clue how it would work.
That's okay. At least it's doing something now, because I really didn't know what it was. So no. At target game, we did though.
No, the Wolf. The issue being that with this style command, we're not defining a user when we run it because it's running on a timer. If we were manually typing a shout out command, you know, by, for example, exclamation point SO, the Wolf X, the target user is whatever we type after the shout out command. It works the same for Nightbot, that if you don't target a user, it defaults to whoever initiates the command. But on a timer, it's just outputting a message with no input. So that's why it's not working the way we would like it to in that scenario. You're on the right track, and there might be a way to predefine a target game, but I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I'm not too savvy with coding to even come up with a solution for that.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna run to the store real quick. I'll be back.
Okay, see you later, and thank you. Let's see. So we had to chat for a minute. We have the list again. Streambot, which isn't even Streambot. It's Cloudbot. But fine. Is fixed, I suppose. Maybe not in the way we thought, but that's fine. I mean, there's a lot of that going around in this case. James. I just hear him yawning in the background. Oh my god.